everybody, it is Indigo's Creations. So today I'm going to be working on my cane that I just got from my interns. They bought me a cane because I know I'm going to hear this from a lot of people. Why do you need a cane? I need a cane because I have EDS and POTS, and since I have fallen a lot and I tend to stumble or get dizzy or lightheaded from just being bent over, they decided to get me a cane, and I have not tried it out yet besides like around the house. But I'm going to decorate this beauty. I got to pick out the color. I picked out black. Because they have like every color under the rainbow. So this is the one I picked. Yes, it's a collapsible cane. It does not fit in my purse, but it is collapsible. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use my Cricut machine, and I'm going to cut out a bunch of bats, and I'm going to put bats all over it. So let's do this. So right here is what I cut out with my Cricut machine, and I'm just showing you real quick. And I decided to go with this one to put where the handle is. And so I had to figure out like how wide it has to be, so I need to measure it. I should have measured it before I started, and I did not. Right here, I am measuring it. It is at a 4. And right here, I'm trying to decide where I would like to cut it and where I want the middle to be for the front of the can and the back. And I want it to kind of be even, so it lines up when it wraps all the way around. Right here, I always have issues with the transfer, whatever this is. I always forget what it's called, but the transfer sheet, it picks everything up fine, but it has a hard time of letting go of the vinyl, and I struggle with it. For some reason, it just does not like to let go. Doesn't matter how much pressure I put, how light I am with it. I have tried so many methods. If there's anyone out there that can leave like a comment on or a video they can recommend on how to get the transfer sheet to transfer the vinyl. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm cutting out some more bats. And they're gonna go all over. Oh wait, is this the coffin? I skipped completely over the bats. I forgot that I didn't record that part. So I'm putting a coffin on the end of the handle, and it actually took me 3 tries to get the exact measurement of the end of the handle. And this is really, really tiny. I was not expecting it to be so small, and it came out perfect. And I ended up cutting out one for my phone too, which was awesome. This is what it looked like before I used the transfer thing. So I did mark the end of the handle to be completely center, and I wanted it to be even all the way around. This is where I struggled. I tried everything, and it just would not. I had to apply heat to get it to let it go. I did that off camera. So this is what the cane looks like finished. I did off camera add those bats because for some reason I was struggling with it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is how it came out. I love it, and it came out amazing, and can't wait to match it up with some of my outfits. Yay!